Let's say you own a home and for some reason, whether it's insurance purposes or whatever, you need to know who installed the roof before you bought the home. And the previous homeowner didn't give you the paperwork. How do you find out who did your roof? Hi everybody, this is Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing. Welcome to another one of our Walk in the Park videos. Today we're going to answer a question that we got from one of our viewers. Her name is Sharon, and she sent us actually what I think is a really good question that I can't believe that we didn't answer before. So Sharon left us a comment on one of our videos, and she said, what do you do if the previous homeowner did not give me the roofing contract? How will I know who installed the roof? Like I say, that's actually a really good question, which I can't believe that we didn't answer before, because we've heard that question before. Fortunately, the answer to it is really pretty easy. If you're at all adept at using a computer, searching on the internet, it's going to be easy for you. If you're not adept at using a computer or searching on the internet, it's still easy for you. So let's walk through this one. So if your roof was done by a licensed roofer, meaning a roofer that's licensed in your jurisdiction, then most likely he will have had to have pulled a permit to do your roof. If that's the case, then the governing authority in your jurisdiction is going to have a record of that. So really this is the only complex part of the whole process, and that's figuring out who the governing authority is where you live. And by the governing authority, I mean that organization or that government entity that has the responsibility for issuing the permit and then doing the inspection once the job is complete. So you're going to have to do just a little bit of homework to find that information out, because it could be your city, it could be the county, it could be maybe even a separate organization that is overseen by your county, or it could be some other organization entirely. Maybe it's a municipality where you live in. Doubtful that it's going to be like a homeowners association or anything like that. But what do you do if you don't readily know who your governing authority is? Well, I would start by calling your county building department, if there is one. If not, just call the county in which you live. Call the offices for the county in which you live. And just tell them your situation. Tell them that you're trying to find out where you can get information about a re-roof permit that was issued and pulled for your house. Then, depending on what they tell you, you can go to the website for that organization or that government authority, and then you're going to look up permits that were issued for your property. A lot of times that's really easy to find on the website. If it's not, then just call the organization whose website you're on and ask them, where do I find this information? Once you know where to find the information, just go to that web page, plug in your address, and it should give you, most times, a list of the permits that were pulled for your property. Just find the one that shows the re-roof permit, the most recent re-roof permit for your property. Click on that, and that should show you who the contractor was that pulled the permit and did your roof. It'll also give you some information like if it passed, if it failed, why it failed, what corrections were made to make it pass. Now that you know who the roofer is, all you have to do is call that roofing company and tell them that you've purchased that home from their customer, and just ask them to send you a copy of the contract. One of the things that you're going to want to know when you get a hold of the roofing company is the warranty, the workmanship and the manufacturer's warranty transferable to you. Most of the time, both of those warranties will transfer one time, so to one new owner. But that's fairly important information for you to have. So if their warranty has transferred to you, just make sure that you get a copy of the paperwork. Even if it hasn't transferred to you, ask them if they'll send you a copy of the paperwork. Now, remember how I said earlier that if you can't find the information that you're looking for, or if you don't know how to find the information that you're looking for, that you're going to just call around and ask for the website information where you can go find the information? Well, heck, if you're going to have to make those phone calls, once you get to the organization who oversees building permits for your property, you got them on the phone, you might as well just ask them to give you the information, because they can look it up really fast, really quick and easy. They'll give you the information, they'll tell you who the contractor was, bingo. Now all you have to do, follow the process again, calling the contractor, just asking for the paperwork. I told you that was an easy answer, but if you've got other questions about the re-roof process, roof repairs, the insurance claim process, feel free to give us a call at our office phone number. That's right up here, 719-433-6991. You can also visit our website. That's right down here, homesteadroofingcolorado.com. We've got a ton of information out there, lots of articles, lots of videos, all of it educational for you. If you've got questions that you'd like us to answer in a video, leave those in the comments section down below. We read and respond to all questions that we get. Also, please subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon up there so that way you get notified when we've got new videos. Until our next Walk in the Park video, I'm Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing.